Lizard Skin, both products, the sound control and ceramic insulation, can be applied to steel, aluminum, stainless, fiberglass, and or wood. As you can see here, we've cleaned up the trunk space and we have a good coat of enamel primer down on this, and we're going to go ahead and we'll start the spray. We're going to go in a side-to-side pattern, and then we're going to go up and down, and then we'll use our wet mill gauge to determine how thick our film thickness actually is so that we can make sure that we're doing it properly. And then once that is completely cured out, we're ready to go back with our second coat and build up to our recommended thickness.
And this stuff is going on really nice and really easy. I'm really surprised.
Have you done a knock test yet to see what it sounds like?
No, it's
what
not.
The difference is? Why don't you knock on some of the metal here and we'll get an idea of what an untreated surface sounds like.
It's real tinny.
Sounds like a drum.
Yeah.
When you have this applied, you'll notice like we've already sprayed the roof.
Wow, real,
Sounds much more solid, and that's
right.
only with the one coat. So when this is completely cured out, it's even going to be much more substantially quieter than what we're experiencing already.